Alright guys, today we will be installing some brand new fog lights for the 2020 Ram 1500. Diode Dynamics Stage Series 3-inch LED pods. Thank you for sponsoring me. Thank you for sponsoring this video. American made, just like the Ram. First we need to remove our old fog light housing. I'm going to take this off. 1, 2, 3, 8 mils. So now we got the wheel well pulled back after removing those bolts. And I just kind of tucked it behind the wheel right here so I have some space to work. We'll be removing these. 1, 2, and there's a third one right here. These are 7mm bolts. Alright, so now that all the bolts are out, it should just come out just like this. But before I do that, I have to remove this first. Probably need a flathead. So this pops right out. Alright, so here we have our basic stock factory fog lights off the 2020 Ram 1500. Then we got our replacement Diode Dynamics. Just look how some cool swag here. Move this off to the side. Nice. Pretty chunky. Feels like some good quality. Nice and hefty. Our stock lights. Let's put it down here for a better. Alright, so here's a better view. It should mount with the same type of bracket here. This comes with brackets. Let me pull those out the box. So here are the brackets they come with. Here it is versus stock. So pretty much matches up. I just got a screw. Probably put it on like that and put a couple screws on the side. Alright, to mount the bracket to the fog light housing, we have to drop the nut into the little slot right there. So that way we can thread the bolt into it. Alright, so I got those nuts in. I got the screw in with the washer. Try to get good focus on that. There you go. So that's how you want to set it up. And then they provided, it looks like an adapter plug. One side goes into the new LED fog light, and the other will go on your stock plug. And then the fog light should fit right into here almost perfectly. And what I did was I made sure to put the bracket as far back as I can so that this will go all the way up towards the front of the car and not leave like a space in between. Let's put it in. Alrighty, so now we got the fog light mounted. The 3 screws in, pretty easy. Plug the fog light connector back in. I didn't lock the tab yet because I'm about to test it out. So let's take a look and see how this looks. Alright, so it looks like it's on. At first it wasn't on, but I just had to flip the polarity around. Everything was good after that. That's good. Now let's look at the stock side real quick. So it's kind of yellowish. This is like a nice bright white. The install is now complete. This was pretty much plug and play. Took about 20 minutes per side. Everything fit pretty nicely, just like OEM at this point. It looks good though. It's nice and bright and white. If you're interested in this product, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Have a good one.